Welcome back to the channel. For this video we will actually compare two Samsung phones because we know that you like these phone comparison videos. So we have the Samsung Galaxy S23 regular and we're comparing it with the S23 Ultra, which also has this iconic skin on the back. So yes, as usual, we will compare them with two different songs. We will start with 50% volume, then go up to 80% volume, and in the end we'll have them on maximum volume. And both phones are using the regular sound settings, and Dolby Atmos will be turned on both devices. So let's start this comparison. So 80% volume. Next song. So max volume. So that was the comparison, and between these two phones they sound a bit similar, and it's not really that strange because they are both made in the same year and month as well, I believe. So they're both from like February in 2023. So if you have like two phones from the same type of period in the year, they will sound similar because they usually use the same type of speakers and hardware and everything. So they are very similar, but there's still a little bit of differences between them, mostly that the S23 Ultra sounds a little bit more like it's focusing on the bass, while the S23 regular is a bit more focusing on the treble. And that's not really so strange because S23 Ultra is a bit bigger, so the sound might sound a little bit bigger as well. But they're both the same in loudness, I would say. And also in the when you have lower volume, the sound also the same loudness wise in the lower volume steps. So I hope you enjoyed this comparison, and let us know what video you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching.